Alright, so you guys know this week has all been about Google VEO 3. Like, I've been testing it, playing around with some crazy different prompts, and honestly, you guys, the kind of videos it's generating are just wild, like stuff you would never be able to shoot in real life with a camera. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna show you some more of those insane scenes, stuff that people have created using Google VEO 3. We'll go through them one by one, and I'm giving my honest thoughts after each one. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. All right, so the first one is this amazing scene. Like, this is some kind of a vlog shot that this person is making, and you guys can see he's taking some insane challenge of entering into a room with full of bees. And yeah, take a look at this video.
I released 100,000 killer bees in my bedroom. No plan B, no plan A either.
So yeah, like this looks absolutely perfect. Like the lighting, the atmosphere, the lip sync, everything looks legit, like a full-blown, kind of a MrBeast kind of a video, like a challenge video. And it doesn't look like it's generated with AI, like but specifically with Google VEO 3. And next one, we have another challenge that this person is doing. He is basically buried alive inside of a room, like underground, with full of beans.
I've been buried alive under 10,000 pounds of beans. Let's see if I can get out.
All right, yes, yeah, that one looks absolutely beautiful. You can really tell how far AI has come just by the detail in that one clip, you guys, right? All right, so next one, we have this amazing challenge that this girl is doing. She is sitting inside her room in front of a camera, and she's demonstrating something to you guys. Like, take a look at this.
Gave my credit card number to the dark web just to see what happens.
So yeah, I really love the motion in this one. There's something about like how smooth it feels and how natural it looks. The lip sync is to the point. Everything looks absolutely perfect about this video, and the lighting, everything is top notch, guys, right? Then we have another footage of a man who is basically inside of a pond with lots of crocodiles around him, and this looks like a very insane challenge that this person is doing.
I'm trying to get adopted by crocodiles. They haven't eaten me yet, so that's a good sign.
Like, bro, tell me this doesn't feel like a dream. Like the colors, the vibe, everything about this is too good, like unreal, right? And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on showing you some of the more clips that people have created with Google VEO 3, like impossible challenges, you can say, with the help of Google VEO 3, you guys, right?
Begged me not to eat this fruit, but I felt energetically drawn to it.
Day 143 of rebuilding the Great Pyramid in my backyard. 15 years, 2 divorces, 1 restraining order, and today I found Bigfoot. I'm about to drink the Atlantic Ocean. Let's see if 41 million square miles fits in one man. G'day legends, I'm drinking toilet water from every country on earth, and today we're deep in Equatorial Guinea.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was a very interesting video of how you can create impossible scenes out of Google VEO 3 that seem too real that you cannot make them with a real camera, with real footage. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.